Good morning, student. Today our topic is MySQL functions. Some functions are already defined in MySQL. These are known as MySQL functions. There are three types of MySQL functions. One is character function, second one is numeric function, and third one is date and time function. Today I will discuss about some of the character functions. So first function is lower or L case. The first one is lower or L case. So what is lower function or what is L case function? Both are same. If you want to convert a string into lower case means small letter, then we use the function lower. Suppose if you write select lower within bracket, within quotation, suppose you write ABC. Select lower within bracket, you pass a argument. What is the argument? ABC. So ABC all are in capital letter means uppercase. So L case function or lower function convert ABC into lowercase, and what will be the output? Output is small ABC. ABC in lowercase. So what is lower or L case function? It will convert a string into lowercase. If you write select lower within bracket ABC, it will convert ABC into lowercase. What is the output? Output is ABC in lowercase. Next function is upper or U case. So what is upper or U case function? This function converts a string into uppercase. Understood? So the next function is upper or U case. So this function converts a string into uppercase. Suppose if you write select upper within quotation, suppose you write ABC. So ABC all are in lowercase. So this function convert ABC into uppercase. So what will be the answer? Answer is ABC in uppercase. Understood? So what is L case function? It will convert a string into lowercase. And what is U case function? It will convert a string into uppercase. Third function is left function. Third one is left. So what is left function? It will extract string from the left hand side of any string. Means it will extract a part of the string from the left hand side of the string. Suppose if you write select left, you write ABCD within quotation comma 2. So this is the string. 2 is the number of characters we want to extract. So select left ABCD comma 2 means from left hand side it will extract 2 characters. So from left hand side it will extract 2 characters. The answer is AB. Understood what is left function? It will extract characters from the left hand side of the string. If you write select left ABCD comma 2, then it will extract 2 characters from the left hand side of the string. Next one is right function. So what is right function? Same way it will extract characters from the right hand side of the string. So next one is your right function. Suppose if you write select right, you write ABCD comma 2 means from right hand side it will extract 2 characters. So answer will be CD. So CD is the answer. So understood? So what is left function? It will extract a part of the string from the left hand side of the string. And what is right function? It will extract characters from the right hand side of the string. Next one is mid function. mid, it will extract characters from the any position of the string. The what is mid? It will extract characters from any position of the string. Suppose if you write select mid A, B, C, D, E, comma 2, comma 3. So here there are 3 arguments. This is the string, 2 is the position, and 3 is the number of characters we want to extract. So select mid A, B, C, D, E. This is the string. Next one is 2. 2 is the position from where we want to extract. And 3 is the number of characters we want to extract. So what is this is position 1. This is 2. So this is the second position B. From B it will extract 3 characters. Means answer will be BCD. BCD. Understood? So what is mid? It will extract string from any position of a string. Suppose if you write select mid A, B, C, D, E, comma 2, comma 3. So this is the string. 2 is the position from where we want to extract. 3 is the number of characters. Means from second position it will extract 3 characters. So answer will be B, C, D. Understood? Last one is len function. What is len? It will calculate number of characters within a string. Last one is len function. What is len? It will count number of characters within a string. Suppose if you write select A, B, C, D. So how many? Select len within bracket. You write A, B, C, D. Okay. So how many characters are there? There are 4 characters. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the answer will be 4. Len means it will count number of characters within a string. Suppose there is another example. Suppose if you write select len A, B, C, D, and between A, B and C, D there is a space. This is the symbol of space. Okay. Now what is the string? String is A, B space C, D. Now if you write len A, B space C, D instead of 4, answer will be 5 because space is also a character. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is len function. Understood? Now the first one is we learn lower function, upper function, left, right, mid and len. So what is len function? It will count the total number of characters of a string. What is lower function? It will convert a string into lowercase. What is upper function? It will convert a string into uppercase. What is left function? It will extract characters from the left hand side of the string. What is right? It will extract character from the right hand side of the string. But what is mid? It will extract character from any position of a string. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you.